Have you ever walked by a rack of kettlebells at your gym and wondered if you should incorporate them into your workout? Kettlebells can be intimidating as they have typically been used in competitions. That perception is changing as kettlebells are becoming more popular at gyms, backyards, and garages throughout the world. Why there's such an appeal to using kettlebells for training? One of the biggest benefits of kettlebells is they are portable and don't take up a lot of space. Another reason is that the kettlebell workout can burn 400 calories in 20 minutes, producing results quickly. These cannonball-shaped tools are touted for their many benefits for both cardiovascular and strength conditioning. We have rounded up the top benefits of kettlebell training according to experts. Hello reviewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you benefits of kettlebell workout or kettlebell swings. So watch the video until the end to never miss a thing. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. For already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Kettlebell training can be performed by anyone who has been cleared to exercise. Be sure to get instructions from a certified kettlebell trainer, especially if you attempt more advanced movements like swings and snatches. Now, without further ado, let's get into our listing. Number 1. Kettlebells are all-in-one total body conditioning tool. Kettlebells can be used for strength, endurance, flexibility, and balance training, the four main aspects of fitness. This is definitely one of the biggest benefits of kettlebells. They are versatile and they simplify things. In a fast-paced, complex world, the ability to do total body conditioning with one tool is a nice change of pace. In fact, we would go out on a limb and say kettlebells are one of the best tools in existence for truly effective result-achieving, safe, full-body conditioning. Number 2. Improves core strength and stability. There are a few reasons why kettlebells are fantastic for improving core strength and stability. First, many kettlebell exercises are a form of ballistic training. Ballistic training workouts on explosive power through maximizing acceleration and minimizing deceleration. These explosive movements stimulate the abdominal muscles tremendously well. They require core concentration and coordination. Breathing at the movements are intense. This leads to serious improvements in core strength, even when not necessarily targeting your core like you would with crunches or leg raises. Secondly, kettlebell movements are multi-planar, so you will be working your core from all directions. This is essential to building well-rounded core strength. Third, some of the best kettlebell movements are offset and unilateral as they will only be using one kettlebell. When moving the kettlebell around on one side, you will be working your core stability and strength big time. These are all vital reasons why athletes train with kettlebells. Number 3. Enhances body awareness and coordination. Kettlebell movements are very dynamic. You will be swinging them around, above you, to your side, in between your legs, side to side, and this will necessitate that you are completely aware of your body. This focus and mind to muscle connection will develop, leading you to improved coordination. This is very different than conventional training with barbells or machines because the movements are linear and less dynamic. It's very important to develop your sense of movement. This ability will carry over into improvements in your fitness and life, and it's certainly a very important aspect of athleticism. Number 4. improves balance and stabilizer muscles. When training with machines, you are producing force and moving in a predetermined path. Conversely, when training with kettlebells, you must control the movement path. This requires you to double down on strengthening and stabilizer muscles for each particular movement. Having strong stabilizer muscles in all ranges of movement, coupled with increased core power, as we discussed in one of the benefits of kettlebells above, means your balance will be exceptional. Number 5. Serious fat burning workouts. Kettlebells offer crazy calorie burning potential, which means fat loss. Studies show that swinging a kettlebell burns as many as 20 calories per minute. That's around 400 calories for a 20-minute workout. To do that running, you would need to be running at a 6 minute per mile pace. What's more, kettlebell training for losing fat is often high intensity, so you have the afterburn effect as well. This is called EPOC, or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. For those who don't know, this means you will be burning calories at a higher rate long after your workout has finished. Number 6. Great non-running cardio alternative. Remember, a kettlebell is a full-body conditioning tool, and that extends to cardio training too. Thanks to the versatility of kettlebells, you can do a power-packed cardio session with just one kettlebell. If you are looking to burn calories in a short space of time, a lightweight kettle HIIT or metabolic workout, low-weight, high-rep, high-intensity based workouts will do the job incredibly well. In fact, many think it is more effective than steady-state cardio for burning fat, boosting metabolism, muscular endurance, and improving cardiovascular health. The key is to maintain a high heart rate for the entire workout. Moreover, kettlebell cardio workouts are not as boring as running on a treadmill is, so that's another plus. Number 7. It develops explosive hip power and speed. Kettlebells are phenomenal for learning to produce speed and force from your hips. One of the main and most effective kettlebell exercises is the kettlebell swing. The benefits of kettlebell swings are that they train the hips to produce force in both strength and speed. The reason hip strength is so important is because it ensures stability and helps prevent injuries. Also, the hips play a very important role in many athletic movements such as jumping, sprinting, and coming out of a sprint stance explosively. In addition, it also improves your sex life as you will become more vigorous and have improved endurance. Number 8. Increases range of motion or mobility and flexibility. Kettlebells keep the body loose as they exercise movement patterns rather than isolation exercises. Kettlebell movement patterns require you to move through multiple planes of motion while controlling the force, torque, and range of motion. Naturally, you will be improving your mobility by slowly increasing your limits. Over time, you will have much greater flexibility and your joints will become more stable and strong. When it comes to sports and the real world, this is crucial as it will decrease the chance of injury in your joints, ligaments, and muscles. Increased range of motion also helps you experience more diverse sexual positions with your partner. Number 9. Builds lean muscle. Kettlebell exercises won't build crazy mass like heavy barbell exercises can. Instead, it increases the amount of lean muscle tissue. You will notice that people who take kettlebell training seriously, they train with high intensity and are ripped. They have lean muscle mass, not big bulky bodybuilding type bodies. Not many people these days want to be huge. Not only is it a pain to eat enough to get that big, but once you are huge, you lack the ability to move at your best potential. Kettlebells will make you look great and move even better. kettlebells can build dense muscle, which is achieved by higher repetitions and shorter yet intense workouts. This method of training is best for boosting testosterone. Number 10. It develops a stronger posterior chain and improves posture. Kettlebells are excellent for the posterior chain. Many of the best kettlebell exercises target your entire backside. Exercises like the kettlebell swings are ballistic movements done from a hinge position, which will make your glutes, hamstrings, lower back, middle back, and traps exceptionally powerful. This translates to jumping higher, running faster, and kicking harder, and probably most importantly, it will lead to better posture. But it's not just your posterior chain that will be put to the test. By regularly doing kettlebell workouts, you will rapidly develop the major muscles of your hips, core, shoulders, and neck too. And these are all vital aspects of having good posture and a strong backside. Well, dear viewers, that's all we have for you for today. We will tell you more benefits of kettlebell workout in part 2 of this video in the future. For now, what do you think about these benefits of kettlebell workout? What is your experience so far with this type of workout? Give us your opinion in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can apply in your life from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel and just smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when you upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.